Welcome to our video on eco-friendly gardening and sustainable practices for all you green thumbs out there who want to make a positive impact on the environment. Eco-friendly gardening defined. Eco-friendly gardening, also known as sustainable gardening, is a mindful approach to cultivating plants that minimizes harm to the environment and supports biodiversity. Key insights on sustainable gardening. Native plants. Choose native plants for your garden. They are well adapted to the local environment, require less water, and provide essential habitats for local wildlife. Organic gardening. Practice organic gardening by avoiding chemical pesticides and fertilizers. Opt for natural alternatives to protect your plants and the ecosystem. Water conservation. Implement efficient watering methods like drip irrigation to reduce water usage. Collect rainwater to hydrate your garden and save resources. Composting. Use kitchen scraps and garden waste to create nutrient-rich compost. It enriches your soil, reduces waste, and minimizes the need for synthetic fertilizers. Biodiversity. Encourage biodiversity in your garden by planting a variety of flowers, herbs, and vegetables. This attracts pollinators and beneficial insects. Sustainable pest management. Employ natural pest control methods, such as introducing predator insects, to keep your garden healthy without resorting to chemicals. Mulching. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Use organic mulch to enhance sustainability. No-till gardening. Practice no-till gardening to preserve soil structure and minimize disruption to the ecosystem. Recycle and upcycle. Get creative with garden decor and utilize recycled or upcycled materials. This reduces waste and adds a unique touch to your garden. Educate and inspire. Share your knowledge and enthusiasm for eco-friendly gardening with others. Inspire your community to adopt sustainable practices. By embracing eco-friendly gardening, you can create a lush and vibrant garden while being a responsible steward of the environment. Your green thumb can make a significant difference in promoting sustainability and biodiversity. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on sustainable living and gardening.